On this episode of Garage Idiots, we're going to do something really stupid. Okay, so a lot of people were saying 2 more of the little turbos, and then do that other diesel turbo I got sitting right there, and then do something else, do something else, do something else. It's all relatively pointless until we have bigger injectors and Honda data. Otherwise, we're never going to know like if any of it is doing anything because we don't have the fuel to compensate for the boost. So, for the time being, I thought, what if I tried to make basically the world's longest turbo manifold, and then we'll see if it still spools. So I'm going to get all of the little piping I have, and I'm going to, in some sort of strange loop-to-loop fashion, go as far as I can, and then put the turbo on the other end of it, and then we'll drive it. This here is extra scrap old bug roll cage that I tried to use as a fender, and it is now useless except for this world record attempt. So I don't think we're gonna have enough little tiny piping here, so I'm gonna run to the junkyard and get more, just so we have a ridiculous amount. And yeah, so that's what we got so far. Still a good amount left on the ground, but I'm gonna go try and get like another 12 to 20 feet of little tiny pieces of that, and then we will see how it'll all turn out. And the goal is to put the turbo right in the center of all the madness, so it actually kind of looks like a turbo manifold, because it's kind of technically not, but it still technically is. But anyways, I'm going to junkyard now. I am so excited to fix my truck. I'm so sick and tired of taking this thing to the junkyard. Half the time we can't get certain things that we want because we have little tiny vehicles, and it's a giant pain in the butt. It is beautiful out today. The car says it's 52 degrees-ish. Yeah. Very nice. I like this. Excellent junkyard weather. Okay. Got a good amount of things. By things, I mean basically I just did a scrap run for them and got all of their that's foreshadowing, by the way. Got all of their scrap exhaust. They got all of that, and it's all really rusty and worthless. Why is that not unlocked? And this wire, because it's big. Tons of actual headers and headers that were burnt and broken off, and just all sorts of madness. I really need to fix my truck because I'm getting tired of doing that. Okay, so as you can see, I thought a lot about what I did here, and I added these springs to add rigidity. As you can see, it doesn't move at all. This thing is gonna break as soon as we drive it. Sounds kind of cool, and it's a lot quieter than I expected, and there are pinhole leaks everywhere, so I know it's shocking. So I'm going to fill those holes wherever they work, and then Mina should be here any minute, and we'll go drive it and see how fast it will break. Hola.
Hi.
Same shirt 2 days in a row.
Huh?
Same shirt 2
I
days
have
in a
two.
row.
What are the springs?
They're for aesthetics,
Okay.
and it's super duper wobbly.
Yeah, because you've got 9 feet of.
Right. So I thought if I had these kind of holding everything together,
It'll give it
it's
that-
gonna break.
Yeah.
I just wanted it to take a little longer.
Time to
Yeah.
break. Well, you started this.
I did.
Did it spin?
I don't know. It
Oh.
sounds-
Oh, okay.
I was checking for pinholes.
Oh.
There were a lot.
Hey, you know, long for the manifold like this. What are you thinking?
The whole manifold. Oh, yes.
Is that clear?
Nope.
Is it orange?
Nope.
Black?
Nope.
Is it turbo? Ooh, spicy. Yeah, spicy. It's like a cop. A cop almost. Ooh, nice. We should hold the spring. We need wheels with worse tires.
So it'll actually spin.
It'll actually spin.
Those are decent.
Did you put more oil in the turbo?
No.
Oh.
You're gonna have to probably go forward and backwards like 9 times.
Okay. To get it out. Just my mirrors.
Forward.
Oh, wait, forward?
You are so close to this side. Go straight back, straight. There you go.
Does the motor have oil? Do we know?
Sure.
Okay, cool. Have you driven this at all or no?
No.
Oh, cool. So we don't know what's gonna happen.
It's gonna break.
Yes. Oh, yeah, something is gonna break.
It's gonna
Yeah.
fall off and hit you.
Oh, lovely. Then I don't have to go to work tomorrow.
Yes.
cold in my face.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
What is all that?
Where?
All that moisture. All that moisture.
I don't know, but it's not smoking. Is the turbo spinning? Yeah, it's not making any, here, let's see if we can finish fast here. Yeah. It doesn't, there's no...
Well, that was the theory, is we have
so much.
15 feet of pipe that it just takes way too long.
I haven't gone to the second gear. Let me try that real quick. Alright, we're gonna try a second gear pull.
The thing is so slow.
I can't see!
Yeah, how is that?
I can't see anything.
There's an octopus.
I'm scared. See? See? You can't see anything. It's just I'm scared to hit something.
Yeah, I mean,
So I just
is it coming in the boost at all?
it doesn't feel like it.
No. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
that was basically the theory I wanted to test. Is
Yes. It definitely worked.
how stupid is. I'm shocked it did not fall off yet.
Yeah, I launched it back there. I was like, someone's gonna fall off. and
You
hit me
should
in the face.
launch it one more time and just try and get it to
Try to
break.
break it.
Yeah. Try and break it. No, mira, mira. Oh my goodness. When you went into reverse, I was like, no, stay close so I can film it. And then you immediately launched it. No, you're good. How did that not break? Do one more from here to the end of the yellow and then pull it in.
Yep. That was wild. That was wild.
When you pulled the e-brake, I was like, oh, you're gonna crash.
I thought I was gonna crash.
Boy, that's warm.
I didn't crash.
Pocket right in front of this. Do you feel how much heat's coming off it?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna hit some.
How did it not break?
I don't know.
Maybe it... That's insane.
Yeah, the cops gonna do us.
I know, you actually got it to smoke.
I did.
Both times.
Yeah. Okay, it's weird. After it did a burnout for a sec, and then it like
Once it got hot.
in the boost.
I mean, the turbos have to be hot.
Hot enough to.
So when there's that much extra travel BS,
Yeah.
the hotter it gets, probably the better it would spool. Okay, do me a favor.
Yes.
Go grab that 55 gallon
Okay.
and let's show them what the next video is gonna be.
So this. Oh, I'm gonna put that. I mean, it's gonna. go on
if you
top.
can.
Oh, I can't.
This is going to be the world's largest fart can muffler. We're going to run the exhaust from there, up to there, and out the back of it.
It might help the turbo spool.
It actually might sound kind of cool because that drum's going to make it echo so much.
Oh yeah.
So,
Just to be, well, I mean, you can't see anything out of
well,
it.
so I can't put the downpipe on this. It was a flaw in my beautiful design.
Yes.
It won't fit. So I was going to either just get rid of all of this or flip the turbo backwards and then make the up pipe or the downpipe come up and over. I thought this was gonna sound cool, and once you got on it, it sounded like a Honda again.
Oh yeah. So we could just use this side.
So that's gonna be
where the exhaust comes in from?
Yeah, and then on the back side, I'll drill a hole in the center.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, I even have this big piece of exhaust I was gonna stick on the back like an actual fart can.
Oh, perfect.
It's huge.
Go. Yeah. So that'll just go about right here. And
Yeah.
you have an exhaust.
Yeah. If we take this to Bandamere, I want to try and do a somewhat normal setup. We can still make the exhaust, but I don't want it to look like this. I want to actually
no tune, just
like run it NA, actually make something that's semi-efficient.
Yeah. I mean, not all that would.
I mean, if we could borrow Dennis's Honda and then borrow injectors and just make sure it's safe. Or, I mean, Honda with those stock injectors and then just give it as much fuel as it can and then see what it does.
Very nice.
You should try and break it.
With driving it or just?
No, just right now.
Oh.
You broke a tip with my spring. Oh my gosh, you're a He-Man. Well, now you're getting abusive.
Yeah.
You're bending just this right here. That's the only part you're bending. My welds are strong, ladies and gentlemen.
I mean, we knew that.
Don't ruin the radiator.
Yeah, no, it's certainly.
Oh, that's a good thumbnail. Put it.
Oh.
Just keep tilting it up.
Oh wow. Okay, want to go high?
If you, yeah, just like unwind it.
Well, I can't.
Look, that's, yeah, no, I like that. I like that. Yep.
There you go. Oh man.
Oh shoot, I hope I had a good thumbnail from before. You were, oh.
No, I wasn't gonna break it anymore.